Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the files and safeguarding your saves. First, back up the kit server, save, and exe to a separate folder so you can restore if needed. Next, ensure you have the English language files or the option file that includes English. Once ready, close PES 2017 and any related editors. Make sure no processes lock game files. Then run the installer or copy the language files into the game directory. I'll show you exactly where to place each file. You now install the English files into the correct folders. Copy the bin or CT language file into PES 2017 /data /lang or the kit server /locale folder depending on your mod setup. Once done, open Settings. Ini or the language utility inside your mod manager and select English as primary. Make sure file attributes allow read access. Right-click, Properties, unblock if Windows mark them. After changing settings, save and close configuration files so the game will load English on next launch. You're finishing up and verifying the change. Start PES 2017 as administrator and inspect main menus, in-game UI, commentary, and player names to confirm English is active. If some text remains untranslated, close the game, clear the cache folder, and reapply the language files. Also disable other mods that may override language packs. Make sure file order in kit server is correct so English loads last. If issues persist, open the game log and look for missing string or file errors to pinpoint conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.